board at gate C62.
Hey, hello.
It does, it does. It holds for like 24, 36 hours in a second. On Saturday night, you're like, yeah, right? Yeah. So guys, I've just finished a rehearsal of the speakers. Tomorrow is going to be an epic start of an incredible event. I'm so excited. We are 30 people of my team being here. So stay tuned because we're gonna take you with us through the entire weekend. Ciao.
Coming.
GoPro Las Vegas 2025.
Stiamo crescendo, questo.
Allora?
Alles nicht perfekt. Aber ich sehe nur noch Führerschein, die einfach mal.
You need to have thickness of leaders.
Hi, I'm Manuela Selimovic. 37, I think.
I think? Yeah, something like that.
It's not so important.
No.
I'm mother of two, and in 2 days, 5 years in network marketing, yes. And I'm from Switzerland, but I was born in Boston. In October with the freeway calls.
There's no way in heck that I can ever screw up in sales. Where does energy come from, Pat? Where does recruiting come from, Pat? Then I know you can't throw me off. If somebody says, no, thank you, I'm not interested, I don't even know if I can help you right now. By the way, and you know what? Love to all the people virtually for a second. I'm gonna talk, these guys got so much attention today. I'm gonna talk to all of y'all, okay? So I'm with you guys today. Whoever is here today, by the way, that wants to make one sale extra, I'm probably not gonna be your person. If you guys ever trained with me before, I am not your person. You are not gonna like me, right?
Learn my product.
Generation of network.
Very easy.
Today, Sandro Cazzato is having his speech, so we're all ready for that. There's also Yiri Sedek of Essence Tribe that will be on a panel. It's going to be an amazing day here at GoPro 2025 of Eric Worre.
Hello my friends, it's second day and I'm really excited to hear what's prepared for us about the topic of leadership.
Give a big GoPro welcome to Sandro, Cazzato.
Fill this list here, and so we all should have. Leadership is something that comes over the course of time. Practicing. You show the way. You need to know the way, and you educate your team. Show them the way. The people that built this Colosseum, they didn't build for that moment 2,000 years ago. They didn't build the Colosseum for themselves. The Colosseum was built for eternity. And that's why today, 2,000 years later, we still can enjoy this Colosseum. This Colosseum became a proof of the power of the Romans. And we in network marketing are here for the same reason, not to just write another chapter that will be forgotten tomorrow. I'm not building a team that in 2 years will not be there anymore. I want to build a team. I want to build a business that will stand the test of time.
So Sandro has used the 90-day run.
The run in the coming year was called Plan A because it works. And then we started recruiting people directly as full-timers. We showed them, hey, this is a true profession, it's an opportunity, you learn with us, we show you how it works. Thank you.
That's all I can tell you.
Thank you all. We came out. This is your copy.
Guys, by the way, I'm here with Sandro in Las Vegas, and he's released, well, as you see this right now, he just released his very first book, Moonshot. If you're in network marketing, direct selling, actually anybody that's really trying to grow, build, scale, and lead, and I personally endorsed it too as well on the back. Amazing, grab a copy, come on.
Ragazzi, in diretta qui da Las Vegas, terzo giorno GoPro Experience. Sono molto emozionato perché ho appena avuto modo di conoscere un ragazzo, gli ho raccontato la mia storia e rivivere questi 10 anni, questo percorso incredibile da bambino che è entrato in questa industria per guadagnare qualcosina extra a uomo che ha cambiato completamente la propria vita. Le persone che stiamo creando una vera e propria professione. Stare in mitnosti, dal
Sandro Cazzato, 41 years old, from Switzerland. 5 years in.
You know what I'd pay to be 41? All of it. You can have it all.
5 years in network marketing, leading a very intense and fulfilled life. We need to change the figures in the network marketing profession. If we would take all the network marketers worldwide and sign up with the company, how much would be the percentage that makes it to core rank? I've calculated that in our company, and it's 1%. So we are here with my mentor Eric Worre at his beautiful house right after GoPro. Today is the launch of my book, December 7th, and I had the pleasure for Eric to write the foreword of my book. So Eric, what do you think?
I haven't written forward of a book because I have to really believe in it. So I believe in this guy. He knows what he's talking about, and what I was really happy with the book is he kept it simple, so anybody could follow it and learn and become a professional. He's a professional, wants to teach you how to be a professional. Grab his book, put it on the bestseller list. Let everybody in the world understand the value of our great profession, and we'll take all the information and go to the top.
Perfect. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why do you think that GoPro became a bestseller over the last 12 years?
I think because it was simple, it let people realize that this is a profession, not just a lottery ticket, and that there were skills. It gave people a little structure to realize what they needed to do. So it kind of validated the profession itself, and it gave people a roadmap.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Last question, you're going to launch your book on my birthday.
March,
we found out 7th of March.
March 7th, yes.
What can people expect from your new book, Pro Code?
Yeah, Pro Code is coming out in March. If you got value from the GoPro book, which sold 4 million copies, the Pro Code is everything that I've learned since then. The last 12 years, working with hundreds of companies, millions of distributors, what's working today. It's everything that was there in GoPro, but it's not GoPro 2.0. It's completely reimagined. So it's next level stuff.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Eric. It was an amazing event.
You're welcome.
And
Thank
if
you.
you are not here, you should be here next year.
Yeah, come on.
See you guys.
Ciao, ciao.
That's life. That's what all the people say. I tell you, I can't deny it. I thought it pretty, baby, but my heart just ain't gonna buy it. And if I didn't think it was worth one single try, this all is gonna be.